Today, I'm going to show you how to import videos from YouTube directly into CapCut, step by step. Whether you're looking to edit content for a project, repurpose a clip, or simply polish a favorite video, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get any YouTube video into CapCut for editing. No fuss, no confusion. Let's dive right in, and I encourage you to follow along as we go. The first thing you'll want to do is actually download the YouTube video you want to edit. Now, YouTube doesn't offer a built-in download button for most videos, but don't worry. There's a simple workaround. All you have to do is go to Google and search for Convert YouTube to MP4. There are plenty of third-party websites designed exactly for this purpose. You'll see options like Y2Mate, Save From, or YTMP3. Pick one that looks trustworthy. These sites are usually very straightforward. Once you're on one of those sites, grab the URL of your chosen YouTube video. Just go to YouTube, click on the video you want, and copy the link from the address bar at the top of your browser. Then paste that link into the downloader site's input box. Take a moment to make sure you're grabbing the correct URL. Sometimes, little extras like a playlist or a timestamp can get copied, so it's best to double check. Once you've pasted it in, you'll see options for different download formats. Select MP4 if it's not chosen by default, since CapCut works smoothly with MP4 files. Hit the download button and wait for the site to process your video. Now, depending on the length of the video and your internet speed, this part might take a few moments. Don't worry if it seems slow, that's totally normal. Eventually, you'll see a button to download the completed MP4 file to your computer or device. Click that, and the video will save to your default download location, usually your Downloads folder. The next step is where you'll bring that video into CapCut so you can start editing. So, go ahead and launch the CapCut app. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. It's super user-friendly. After it opens, look for your Spaces profile icon. This is typically at the top corner of your dashboard or workspace. Click on it, then select Upload Media. Now you'll see a menu that lets you choose files from your computer. Navigate to wherever you saved the YouTube video. That's probably the Downloads folder unless you saved it somewhere else. Select the MP4 file you just downloaded. If you want, you can review the file name and preview just to be sure it's the right video. Then, upload it. CapCut will import the file, and it will show up in your media library, ready for you to pull into your project timeline. At this point, you're all set to start editing. You can trim, add effects, overlay music, whatever your creative idea calls for. If you run into any trouble, like the video not uploading, double-check the format is MP4 and that the file fully downloaded. And that's it. Now you know how to swiftly bring any YouTube video into CapCut for editing. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share what project you're working on, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy editing!